Per Teslarati, Tesla Energy recently hosted 88 certified installers in Germany at Giga Berlin for Powerwall 3 training. The Powerwall 3, launched quietly in September 2023, is Tesla's latest residential energy storage unit. Elon Musk confirmed that some homes are already receiving stealth upgrades to the Powerwall 3. The Powerwall 3 is optimized for ease of installation and high power. It can serve as an uninterruptible power supply for most homes, ensuring lights and devices stay on during power outages. In the United States, a single Powerwall 3 costs $9,300 before incentives, including gateway and accessories. Customers can purchase up to 6 units in a single order, with discounts for multiple units. For example, 2 units cost $17,500, and 3 units cost $25,700. In June 2024, Tesla Energy announced the Powerwall 3's launch in the United Kingdom. The UK units have an energy capacity of 13.5 kilowatt-hours and on-grid power of 11.5 kilowatts continuous, double the power of the Powerwall 2. You are listening to UON News.